Hello and welcome. We all have experienced it before. You made a mistake in editing your Word file, or you received a copy of your Word file which is different from the version you have and you don't know which one is the latest, best and final version. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to compare different document versions in Word, merge them and finally restore the file. So what do I need in order to work properly with different versions in Word? In this demo I use a SharePoint Online document library with version history enabled, a Word file stored in this document library, and over the past weeks I've made some changes to the file. Now let's jump to the demo and verify these requirements. I'm here in my SharePoint Online document library using a communication site. Let me begin to check if the version history is enabled. I click on the gear icon in the right corner, click Library Settings, and click Versioning Settings. You can see here the default settings when using a communication site in SharePoint Online, and that is major versions enabled and keeping 500 of them. Right, I'm going to go back to my document library. I've here a Word file, and if I click the three dots next to the name of my Word file and select version history, I can see that I have 9 different versions. Okay, I'm good to go. Let's jump to Word now. I'm going to open my Word file using the client application. In the middle on the top, under the title of your document, when you click on it, you get a drop-down menu. At the bottom of that drop-down, you find version history. When I click that, it will show you here on the right all your available versions pulled from the SharePoint Online document library. I'm now opening one of the earlier versions of my document. What happens? The document opens, of course, but I have 2 instances open of Word. You can also see that the older version is in read-only, and I cannot make any changes in it. This will help you to not accidentally continue working on the wrong file. You see also here a button Compare. When I click this button, a third Word instance opens. Not in read-only and with the default name Document 1. In the document, all my changes are highlighted. If you do not see this, just make sure on the Review tab you have all markup selected. And from the Show Markup drop-down, you have comments, insertion and deletion and formatting active. And under the balloons, show a revision in balloons. Let me walk you through some of these changes. The review tells me the difference between the old and the new document. For example, in my old document the text was not bold. In my new document the text is bold. With a right click I can now accept or reject the change. If I accept, it will keep the old version. If I reject, it will apply the change of my new document. In this case the text will become bold. And if you hit the wrong button, just undo your changes and you're good to give it another try. Once you're happy, you can hit the Save button and save the revised file back into your document library. You can see that the document title changes back to the original title, so you can just press Save and you have this document as your latest version. And that is how easy it is. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on Twitter, drop us an email, or visit our website www.semasu.be for more information. Hope this was useful. My name is Jochem of the Semasu team. Have a great day.